Hey Planty friends, welcome back to another new video. As you can see, we're in the living room because the lighting is really good. Well, it was really good, but the sun went away. It's gonna rain, it's pretty cloudy now. Honestly, I'm excited. I don't know. Okay, need to be a little chaotic in the intro because like my brain is all over the place right now and I have to film a lot of things and I keep procrastinating on filming them. So today, as y'all can see, I'm gonna share with y'all a quick little plenty haul, which was what I posted 2 days ago, which was a previous video, which was a plant shopping video. If you have not seen that video, you definitely should. We found a lot of insane stuff in this Lowe's that even with the stuff that I got, there was still a lot of other stuff that I would have honestly got, but one, I don't have that much space in the car. And number two, I have a budget. It's a loose budget, but yeah, so I think I got a lot of them, also because I already have a lot of them too. Like for example, there was a lot of neon photos, but I already bought a neon photos a while back. For example, like literally this one. And I have some that are propagating, and I have some that are propagating as well, which they're pretty easy to propagate. Got this for $10. And there was a lot of other healthy looking neon photos for like, I think it was $11 with the macrame hanger and the terracotta pot. Literally such amazing deals. I'm pretty sure like they already saw that because like I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos are from San Antonio, Texas, and a lot of you, whenever you find these kind of like exciting videos, y'all like clean those shelves pretty fast, which is literally amazing because these plants, the longer they're there, they just start looking really bad. But I guess because I was the most exciting one, I got this really fun Hoya. It was only for $14.98, which is literally insane. Like, I mean, look at this pink. My mom's like, she was like, whoa, that's so pretty. And I was like, right? Like, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna have it outside because I want the balcony to look a little bit jungly. And I'm trying to buy plants for cheap as well, working with other companies to build my dream relaxing balcony for me, for Valentino, and my boyfriend. Literally super excited for spring. But I got this for $14.98. And there was a lot of them left. Literally amazing. Like Costa Farm could never or any other. I think Costa Farm is the one that sells the most Hoyas. I don't know any other plant company that sells hanging baskets in Hoyas that I know of from San Antonio. But an insane find. Now I don't know, I think it's just, I don't know if it's just a crinkle aid. I'm pretty sure it's not, but it kind of looks like it a little bit. Y'all see that? So it has like 2 different plants in here. It has like, this one is like splashy, I think it's, I don't even know, but these leak. And then we have this beautiful one that has spurgation or like sun stress, but super duper pretty for a really great deal. I have both of these on the balcony and I'm gonna show you the other one. Here is this insane Hoya for $14.98. Like, look at that new growth, you guys. Look at this beautiful, like, what? Now a lot of the stems were damaged. I'm guessing it's from shipping, but even then, this looks really good. Like, for $14.98, they were both in hanging, but this one's hanging on the ceiling and this one, I have it on the shelf, which tomorrow, I'm gonna show you guys the balcony. I'm literally super excited. I don't know if you guys can hear my stomach. I just had coffee with cream. The balcony, like I just cannot wait to show you guys. I've been like showing a lot on Instagram, but on YouTube, you're likely to see a video tomorrow, and we do have a sponsor. It's in the works, but some really fun shelves that like honestly, it's just gonna like tie up the entire balcony, and it's gonna give us more space for this for the next video for tomorrow. So if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe so you won't miss tomorrow's video. You guys, like for $14.98. Like go check out your local Lowe's, like for reals. Perfect Green Home. That's who it's from. But an insane find. Like, I don't know, they look, damn, it's just so freaking pretty. And I know when I place it outside, it's gonna like look a lot better. Next up, we have a Calathea, and it's this one. It was only for $10, you guys. You might record it. Okay, there's another plant that's in the list as well. Oh, it's hanging. I'm just gonna look at another one to show you, but now there is a lot of these, honestly, and I always see them, but I cannot see myself paying $20 for this. Even with this nice, really good pot, I can't, no. But for $10 for a very healthy Calathea, you can tell a lot of people are like saying like, that was on clearance. Girl, yes, and it's like, honestly, this is my thing. I rarely ever go plant shopping like in the mornings, but recently I've been waking up really early, so I go and see what they have. But if you want to find some really great plants, go in the mornings because that's when they add, it literally applies to anything. Like my grandma used to love going, someone's car is going off. I live in the ghetto, but rent's really cheap though. Yeah, go in the mornings if you want to find some great finds because that's when they add new plants. And when I left, they were adding even more plants. So I'm not gonna go because I know if I go, I'm gonna come up with like 10 plants. But $10. Oh my god, I love it. And then there's another Calathea that I got, which is a Calathea medallion. I already have this one. I don't have the other one. So I thought it was like a really, really great steal for like $10. But then I saw this one, there was only one left. It was literally an impulse buy, which I'm not mad at. I'm gonna have both of these outside. They're away from the sun. I live in San Antonio and now it's pretty warm and humid. If it does get pretty cold, I'll put them back inside. But I've checked the weather app daily and it looks like it's gonna stay pretty warm. The reason why I have these Calatheas is because one, I have some shady spots in the balcony that I need to fill up, and Calatheas are perfect for that. And they do really, really good in the balcony compared to last year. Like they do really, really good. I already have a Calathea medallion, and I don't know where she's at. I think she's like in the bedroom, but it's so pretty, and it was for $10. Whenever you saw the scratch, that means like they have a chart. Not everything's 50% off. It's like it's just the most dumbest thing. I miss like the old way they used to do clearance, but now it's different. Like a little system. If it's $20 or more, it's always 50% off whatever it's retailed as. So this was $20 and I got it for 10. If it was 19, it would not be 50% off, trust. But I mean, if you know how to complain, then I'm pretty sure you can get it a lot cheaper, but I'm too nervous and I'm too shy. And they always say no to me, so I don't even bother. I just like go for this. Like if I see it marked down, then I'm gonna get it if I like it. But if, yeah, because I know some of you guys, like, y'all know how to like, you know, persuade. And like, I mean, it's true, like you're not gonna pay like that much for dying plants. A lot of times, a lot of our Lowes are very stingy, or like, it's employees, but they don't even care or something else. I don't know what's going on, but there's like a dying plant, and like I would ask for a discount. They'd be like, I still see a little bit of green. Like the most I can do, they always say this, the most I can do is 50% off. I'm like, it looks like it has root rot, but yeah, this was really healthy for $10. This is a new Trending Tropicals collection pots, by the way. I kind of like it. Some people said it's like a band-aid, and I can't like unsee that now. It's still, I like it. I do like it a lot. It's pretty cool. I don't know. And then another one that I got for $10. I already have a global green, and the one that I have, my first one, it's vining beautifully. Like here's a little thing. Like it's so massive. I ended up getting another one because it looks amazing and it grows beautifully. It's just, and it's so easy to look after. So I had to get another one. And then I saw this one. I was like, I already have two. David, you don't need another one. But I was like, for $10 for this. And there's a whole rant I had to like cut up from the pet shopping video. Basically what happened, the lady didn't put the discount even though like it was literally scratched off. So I paid $20 for it. And usually I don't really care whenever they mess up on my receipts or like the scanning, like because like whatever, it's just like $10 or $20. But I was like, I'm not paying $20 for another global green that I really didn't wanted for $20. For $10, I am 1000% down to take it. But I'm not paying $20 for it. Like I'm not. It's worth it. I mean, yeah, 1000%, but I already have two. You know, like I could have used that $20 for something else. But I ended up going back after 30 minutes. Era mucho rollo. But she ended up like, I thought they were gonna give something for free. But no. They just fixed the price and just gave me $10 back. But I love global greens, and like from what I heard, people are telling me like you can propagate them, but you cannot sell them. You can look into it, don't even ask me, but so whatever I'm saying with the grain of salt, that's why I'm just buying them, because I'm just scared, because I feel like Costa Farm, like one of them, some employees like keep tabs on like YouTubers on what they're talking about and like all this, because you know, like it's a company, they want to know like what they're talking about and like what's the trends, this and that. But yeah, I know like one of them is watching my videos, and I am not trying to get a lawsuit or an email being like, hey, why are you propagating my plants? So I don't even bother. I know like I'm just sounding dumb and being paranoid or whatever. Like I'm pretty sure you can propagate it. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna buy them, especially for this cheap for $10, Miss Girl. It's nice. Like you could not say no. Like literally, look how full like. So I have it outside. Again, I'm buying plants that I love, that I know do good. For cheap, for the balcony, because I have a vision for the living room, which is pretty the balcony, which is pretty flexible, but I'm gonna do it on a budget. Okay, next up is this mini ZZ or ZZ compacta. I don't know, this girl has a lot of names, but I got it. It was one of my wishlist plans for the longest period of time, and it was for $10.98. Yeah, there's so many, and it was a new shipment. Now I don't know what's going on with this girl, but I'm literally so excited. I was gonna wait, I was gonna repot it and place it outside, because like ZZs kind of grow a little bit slow. they're not that slow. It's because we place them in low. I place them in low light because I know they can tolerate it, and it's gonna give me that beautiful green vibe in a corner. But I know if I give it light, it will grow a lot faster. So I'm gonna place this outside on the balcony because I want it to grow and be happy and thrive and bright in the direct light and the warmth and a little bit of humidity because it gets pretty humid in here outside. I want this to grow. Okay, so I'm gonna place it outside. Literally, it's so cute. One of my wish list plans for the longest period of time, you guys, like literally, and now they have it. Like I literally forgot about it because I just gave up on it. There was one time I saw it in Rebel Gardens, but they were like $20-$30. I was like, girl, that's too much for me. But and it was smaller than this. It was like a little 3.5-inch pot. It was like on a 4-inch pot. This is like a 4-inch pot, right? I don't know. It has like the ounces. Like who goes by ounces? But yeah, so she cute. For $10.98, I had to get it, and this was the most cutest. If I can even take it off. Okay, so the nursery pot is like stuck in there, but first so I can show you guys the root. They look like potatoes, but they're actually just the bulbs from the plants. That's why you're not really supposed to water as easy as way too much because they already have bulbs. They're like a succulent. But yeah. But since I'm gonna place it outside, I'm gonna water it pretty often, and I might place it into a ricotta pot. But this is the most cutest ceramic pot, cash pot. Like literally, it's so freaking cute. Ew, that's so tiny little baby, so cute. Okay, I'm done. But I like it so much. Okay, next up, I think it's the last one from this location, but I have some other 2 bonus plants that I want to show you. I got a Gardenia. I got it for $22.98, you guys. Like, that is such a good deal. Oh my god! No, this is not a houseplant. I mean, if you give it like a really bright light, you can make it as one, but I have it outside. It's dripping water because I just finished watering it. But I got it because like I love gardenias and I always pass by them. They smell so good, so I had to get one. And I think it's gonna look so good in the balcony. Like I'm starting to drink my coffee in the morning in the balcony. And when these flowers, there's a lot of buds on it. When it flowers, I'm just like relax. Y'all get the vibe. Like it's gonna be so much fun. Like I love my balcony. I love everything, but the balcony is like my escape a little bit because like I don't know, I love it. So she's outside, and this side over here, like this wall, my 2 windows and like the balcony, the light that it's getting, this is south facing. So I am blessed. When I was in apartments, I was manifesting so hard to be on the 3rd floor, getting south facing windows, you guys. And 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I got all of that. Like I believe in manifestation, but I'm so blessed that I got south facing windows. Or just a south facing side. Like it's like literally I love gardenias. Like and it was for 20, y'all saw how big it is. For $22.98, not including tax. That's a good deal. I had to get it, and they're beautiful. Like they're just so beautiful. The flowers are white and they're not delicate, but they look delicate. They're just white. They smell so good. They look like roses. Okay, the bonus plants, which is not from this haul from Lowe's, but I got it like yesterday. I went to Walmart and I got these really fun sansevierias. They had moonshine sansevierias, and then they had this other one next to it, which has like yellow strips. There was so many of them, and I got 2. I kid you not. If you're not following me on Instagram, literally go, because like I post a lot of Instagram reels. I also got a Facebook page, which I don't really promote, but I'm also pretty active for it. I'll try to update my links. But some people are telling me this is called a night owl. I've never seen a snake plant, and look how full it is for $13.96. That is so cheap. Actually, I went to the restroom. I gave out too much information, but in the morning I was doing my business and I was scrolling to Facebook, and one of those plant Facebook pages posted these, and it was going like a little bit like a lot of people were like, oh my god, like it's so pretty, this and that. And it seems that a lot of people are finding this species, like this sansevieria, like all over their Walmart. So if you like how this looked, go check out your Walmarts, like literally for $13.96. And snake plants are just so cool. Like I love snake plants. I want to collect every kind of snake plants out there. Like I kid you not. I love pothos, I love philodendrons, I love all that good stuff. I really do. But snake plants is my girl. Like I love snake plants. Like they're just so easy to look after. Whenever I'm having like my mental breakdowns or like my phases where I'm just like neglecting my plants, these girls would do perfectly fine. So like we're like the perfect relationship, and there's so many different species out there that are just so freaking beautiful. So that's why if I see a sansevieria that I don't have, I'm buying it. Even if I don't have money, I'm using my credit card. Like, I'm getting it. Because sansevierias are pretty slow to grow. The only way to propagate them is by division. If you chop it by the leaf and you place it in water, it will revert back to its original. So they take forever. If you have like the right conditions, yes, it will be faster to propagate. But in my conditions, they would just take like a year. I don't even know. It would take really, really long. So, not that long, but for me, it's long. So, and when I saw both, I was like, when I saw that many for that cheap at Walmart, I was like, I'm getting two. Like, I don't care what anybody says. I'm getting two because I don't know. I just like getting two of everything. As like backups, right? I love these. They're so pretty, you guys. I like it. I also have my other one from HEB. I think it's called Flame. Yay! Hold on, let me show you. These are actually a lot cheaper. I also got two of these. I already know. I already did a haul and I showed you guys this one, but it just says tropical plant care. These were 10, yeah, like $9.88 or 9 something like that at HEB. So I think I got two. I would have gotten a lot more, but there wasn't that many. There was only like 6 in stock. But I've been seeing them a lot more often in HEB. It's called Gold Flame, I believe. Beautiful. I love me some snake plants. I literally have a snake plant like in every little spot in my apartamento. Like, here's another one. And you guys, I want to get a variegated sansevieria. No, a variegated well-fed sansevieria, which they're selling it. I can get one like pretty cheap now, but I'm on the hunt for one. That speaks to me. Here's my well-fed one. Has been with me for so long. I might place it outside because I want it to grow faster. Honestly, I would love to place a lot of my snake plants outside. They're gonna grow a lot faster, but I like having them inside because, like I said, like they're not finicky at all and they do really good inside. And I also want to have jungle vibes inside. People tell me, how do I do it? Like, how do you have so many plants inside? Well, I get plants that are really easy to look after and also that are like pretty, yeah, just like, like just easy. Snake plants are that girl. Here's another one. If you don't look that hot, like in that section, but aquí se vería bonito. Aquí no sé lo que está pasando. I think like a little plant died. Actually, just all these. I actually had this plant in a very low light spot, and I rarely ever water my snake plants, which is kind of bad. She's on a terracotta pot, so I need to water her. I think top watering, but I don't know. I've been like bottom watering my Hoyas, and they're doing really good. Like I only bottom water them when I feel like it. I usually do top watering, but I like to bottom water them when they're bone dry. And I noticed that they flush out growth like crazy whenever I do that. So yeah, and I might do the same thing for my snake plants if they're bone dry. Like that one is bone dry. I haven't watered for like 2 or 3 months, so I need to go and like give it a good soak. But that's basically my haul, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was super fun. I don't know, like there's this thing going on right now, like plant shopping is bad, or like buying too many plants is bad. Girl, shut up, like literally. If it makes you happy and you have the money with your hard working money, do whatever the hell you want with it. Like, don't tell me how to spend my coins, Miss Girl. And I don't know, this is just it's an amazing hobby, like plants, and I'm just so grateful. Like, it's just, I can go on and go off and go on. I love my plants so much. I also make sure like they're really easy to look after, because like if I want to build a jungle, I cannot be like, one really expensive plants, because that'll just be like so stressful. You can have that, but for me, like I'll get stressed out. I guess I should have like really easy plants to look after and pretty common. But yeah, to each their own. And this was my little planty haul. Thank you so much for joining me onto this new video. After this, I'm gonna go and film another one with my boyfriend. So if you want to see that and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe button down below so you won't miss tomorrow's video. So in positive advice to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.